In this video tutorial, we will explain how to use the evaporation function of the crystalline instrument. The evaporation function in the crystalline instrument can be used to apply evaporation gas as part of an evaporation crystallization process. To do this, you will need the evaporation gas connection point, which can be found at the back of the instrument, a tubing of 4 mm to connect the reactor to the instrument's evaporation gas connection point, a 4 mm tubing in 2 shorter pieces. One will be used to connect the sample vial to the reactor outlet. The other one should have a plug stopper to prevent the gas from escaping during the experiment. First, connect the evaporation gas tubing to the back of the instrument. This is a push-fit connection, so it is done by pushing the tube into the connection until it locks in place. Connect the other end of the tubing to your laboratory's gas supply connection, either nitrogen or dry air. Next, choose the desired reactor position outlet and remove its top. Then, take your sample vial and attach the 2 shorter tubing pieces to its cap, with the stopper on one end. Place the sample vial in the desired reactor position outlet. Connect the tubing from the sample vial cap to the reactor inlet. Next, click on New Crystalline Experiment to start a new experiment. Fill in the details such as experiment name, user name, and description. Select the evaporation cap type and the gas type, either nitrogen or dry air. Then fill in the vial details such as compound, solvent, concentration, and type of stirrer. Go to the Program tab to program your experiment. From the action tiles on the left side, drag and drop the ones you want to use for your experiment. Use the linear or quadratic ramp action to increase the temperature during your experiment. Fill in the details such as end temperature, heating rate, duration, and stirring speed, as required for your specific application. Next, add a hold prompt to stay at a constant temperature for a specific duration. Define this duration and the stirring speed. Then add another linear or quadratic ramp and fill in the details as required for your specific application. Add and define as many actions as per your experiment research needs. It's important to know that, in evaporation crystallization, the temperature of the sample will dictate the rate of evaporation. The closer you are to the boiling point of the solvent, the faster the evaporation will take place. The further you are from the boiling point, the slower the evaporation will take place. Therefore, set the end temperature to your specific application. When you want to start evaporation, click the evaporation button on the tile. This will start the gas flow when the experiment reaches that step. Next, go to the Run and Results tab. Select the reactor and press play. Ensure the outlet of the reactor is open during the evaporation step to allow the gas to escape. In the Run and Results tab, you will see the data graph and the images captured by the crystalline. Once the experiment is completed, click on the Export button and choose to export as CSV, images, or movie. Then click Save. After your experiment is completed, you can save it by going to the File tab and clicking Save and Close. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.